Mostly AI is a synthetic data generator and knowledge hub platform that allows teams to create safe, accurate, relevant, and insightful synthetic data for machine learning, testing, and data sharing use cases. 1. The platform offers a range of features such as synthetic data generation for AI, ML, synthetic data knowledge hub, and platform overview. Synthetic data generation is especially critical for the banking, insurance, and telecommunication industries, and Mostly AI's synthetic data generator is available straight from your browser after a simple registration. 2. To access Mostly AI's synthetic data generator, you need to sign up for the platform, after which you will receive an email with your login details. Once you have access to the platform, you can generate the best test data and training data, which is always synthetic. 3. Overall, Mostly AI can be used. By leveraging synthetic data, AI provides a valuable solution for teams seeking to collaborate and innovate toward a brighter and fairer future. Thanks for watching.